Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook this page isn't available right now. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So we're going to start fixing it from the settings. Exit the application, and then from here you're going to go and search for the settings option. Once you search for the settings and find it, click on the apps section. Once you click on apps, you can see right here Facebook is one of the recent apps. But if you not find it, then you can just click on see all on 193 apps, for example, and then search right here for Facebook. Once you find it, then you're going to then scroll down until you see the storage and cache. Click on that one, and now from here you're going to see those buttons and going to click on clear cache. Once you do that, you're going to make sure that settings and Facebook are fully closed. And now we're going to search if there is an update. So go to your Play Store or App Store. And then we're going to search for here for Facebook. And now from Facebook, we're going to see if it says update instead of open, then make sure to click on update right here. And now from here, we're going to check final thing, if the Facebook account is being deactivated in general. So from here, we're going to search for down, detect, and then Facebook. Once you go here, you're going to see down detect, and then going to check if Facebook is down. If it is down, then it's going to be showing in a big banner right here that currently the servers are falling on, and that is why you cannot access a certain page. Finally, if none of these effects work for a certain page, then it's probably because you have been either banned or removed from it completely. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.